So you're watching this video to learn the secrets of how you can make everyone you meet like you. Learn how you can be the most likable person in the social event and walk away with a lot of numbers and emails addresses. Keep watching. Watch this video for the 5 easy methods, techniques and habits you can adopt to make people like you. Everyone can adopt these ideas with pride and make these a key component of their whole personal and professional communication style. This is true for everyone of all ages and for both ladies and gentlemen. Let's get started. I'm Dan B, and I'm the founder of what is now one of the world's largest real-life social networks. We have over 200 social groups in 32 cities, from Sydney to Singapore, London to Luxembourg, and Dubai to Zurich. We have over 1 million members, have organized over 3,000 events over the last 6 years, and over 50,000 members have attended in our real-life events. At these events, they've met new people, connected with them, and with our help and support, transformed their social and love lives. I have personally hosted, interacted, watched, and interviewed many of our most socially successful members and have deep insights on what makes it work for them. We have learned a huge deal from watching our most socially successful members and from the coaching and advice we provide some of our more nervous members in order to break out of their shell, open up, make the effort to meet new people, and invest in new relationships. Here are our thoughts based on their input and also from my own lifetime of advising, consulting, and coaching around the world. So, meeting new people and making new friends is not the easiest thing in the world, and most of us avoid the hassle and the awkwardness of making them. We tend to stick to the people we know and steer clear of the people we don't. Yet, making new friends is incredibly important and beneficial. Not only does it increase our social network, but it also helps us develop our social skills. These skills can bring us a lot of personal and professional benefit. It is also good for our health. So, we have to try and make the effort and make new friends, no matter how difficult we think it may be. So, getting someone to like you starts from the very first second that you meet them. The way a person feels in your company in these very few seconds of meeting will help them decide whether they like you or not. There are other things which will influence whether they continue to like you, but these are some of the key aspects that you have to adopt. So, first impressions. First impressions are created by your facial expressions, body language, and your smile, along with how you dress and groom. And these are all key in putting your best foot forward. The easiest thing you can start with is to groom properly. Have clean and managed hair. Shave or clip your beard if you're a man. Cut your nails and keep your hands, nose, ears, and eyes clean. Wear suitably stylish glasses if you wear them. Dress in clean and iron clothes which fit you well, are well matched for your body shape, age, and personality, and always dress up rather than dress down. Do not wear trainers to semi-formal socializing events, and always wear polished, clean leather shoes. Do not wear too much perfume or makeup. Try and be cheerful, open-minded, and willing to connect. Generally speaking, people prefer to speak to a well-groomed and dressed lady or gentleman rather than someone who's scruffy and untidy. Same goes for energy and attitude. People prefer to talk to happy people who are smiling and laughing with energy and drive rather than someone who looks gloomy and lethargic. Maintain eye contact from time to time and smile genuinely. Don't stand too close to the other person and respect their personal space. Do not cross your arms in front of you and do not touch your face too often. Remember to match the other person's tone of voice, energy, and enthusiasm, and try and mirror some of their manners, gestures, and words. All of the above, and most importantly, being gracious and generous will make you stand out. So, make an effort, focus on these aspects, and these will make an instant initial impact which will make them like you. Second, when you meet someone, use their name as often as you can. First, ask them what their name is. Then, ask them how to pronounce it correctly. And then, ask them to spell it. Now, doing this thrice will mean that you remember it more likely than if you asked it just once. And then, use their name in all your questions. Use your name in your conversation. It is said that a person's name is the sweetest sound they hear, and so anyone who says their name is looked favorably instantly. Additionally, try your very best to remember names for as long as you can, as using the name is very flattering to people. So using their name will make them like you. Third, when you speak, remember not to speak about yourself, but speak about the other person. What you have to know is everyone loves speaking about themselves, and so you asking them about them and you listening attentively to what they say about themselves makes people like you. So encourage others to speak about themselves. Ask them questions about them, what they do, where they're from, some holidays that they have done, and what their opinions are on different subjects. Remember, do not discuss sensitive subjects like politics, religion, money, or personal relationships. These topics can get controversial, can make people take offense and end a relationship even before it starts. Remember to ask open questions with words such as who, when, what, where, how, and why. All of these questions tend to start a conversation as they ask for an explanation or an opinion. Do not ask closed questions which may only get a yes or a no answer. Listen actively by repeating, clarifying, and confirming, and with active body language of leaning in, nodding, smiling, and acknowledging with your eyes. If you do this, people will think that you're listening carefully and they will like you. Fourth, do not argue, criticize, or point out mistakes. Avoid all arguments as you cannot win them. Even if you logically or technically win an argument, you're essentially hurting the other person and sort of saying that they are a bit stupid. It is saying that you're intellectually superior to them, and that does not make people like you. Agree to disagree and even thank them for their different view. Avoid an argument at any cost. Also, do not criticize anyone or say that they made a mistake, as they will feel that you're attacking them and their self-esteem. People are driven by emotion and not by reason. In any case, people learn more from praise than from being punished. So do not use it. It's not constructive in most situations. But as a rule, control your emotions and your temper and never argue or criticize people. And fifth and final, praise lavishly and do it publicly. Show appreciation and make people feel respected and important. One of the strongest drivers of human behavior is to be appreciated, complimented, and praised. There is no need to be insincere in your praise, but use your thank yous, say your pleases, and say your sorry, and do it as frequently as necessary. You should respect everyone, from the waiters to the cleaners and everybody else in the room, and that should be part of your genuine being. Be sure that almost everyone you meet will have some quality or skill, some habit or speciality which you can learn from and praise. More importantly, treat others as you want to be treated yourself. Remember, do not compliment men or women on their physical attributes like their figure or their muscles. These things are too personal and can be embarrassing. But be sure you can praise them for their smile, their suit, their hair, or the color of their clothes or shape of their glasses. You can also thank them for their ideas, cheerfulness, or friendliness. So compliment, appreciate, and praise, and people will like you. So use all of this, and so when you attend the next social event and when you want to leave, be sure to meet all the people you had met before on the night. Say goodbye to them. And when you do that, use their name. Smile and lean in and thank them for their company and their thoughts. Tell them you enjoyed spending time with them. Also, say that you look forward to meeting them again and ask for a number or an email address. And you know what? I guarantee that you will get it. Say goodbye to the host and thank them for the great work they're doing to improve your social life. Make them feel appreciated and praised. This will result in them being keener to help you the next time you attend. So remember, use all of these rules. People will like you. So here are just 5 short, high impact points that will help you make yourself instantly likable to everyone you meet. Watch this video often and regularly and try and adopt these practices. These ideas will dramatically change your life. People, both ladies and gentlemen, who you have just met, will feel helpless. They will not be able to help liking you. Guaranteed. So, this is Dan B signing off. Please feel free to contact me if you have any comments or questions. Please attend our events around the world where you'll find thousands of others like yourself who also want to make like-minded friends. Please attend, make the investment in yourself to transform your social life and be happier. Do watch these videos so you have the knowledge, insight, and feedback from our years of experience and study, which will help you develop your skills, techniques, and behaviors, which will transform your life. So here's wishing you happy watching, happy developing, and general happiness to you. Bye until next time. This is Dan.